Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank Banggood for providing this review unit. This is the Xiaomi Redmi TV Bass speaker. Anyway, before we proceed, the unit costs $129.99, but Banggood were also kind enough to offer a coupon valid until the 31st of December 2021. Use the coupon to get the Redmi TV Bar $51.99 less. Check the description below to see all that. By the way, it's limited to 35 users. Anyway, on the package we have the Redmi branding as well as the connection options, Bluetooth, auxiliary in and the SPDIF. We also have the Redmi by Xiaomi sticker and that's it. Now let's proceed with the unboxing and see the contents. Since I'm in Europe, they included 2 adapters. I think it should have only been 1, but the more the merrier. We will put the speaker aside and see what else is included. There's a user manual which is in Chinese, but I don't think we would actually need that, especially if you have used a speaker bar before. An SPDIF cable is also included. Finally, we get the mounting kits as well as the rubber expansion plugs. Let's unwrap everything and see what exactly you get. We can see the Redmi branding on one of the side of the speaker. The build quality is okay, it's plastic built with metal at the sides and weighs roughly 1.5 kilos. From the footage you can definitely tell it's a fingerprint magnet. Before we look further into the functionalities, the speaker is equipped with voice assistance.
SPD 蓝牙 aux SPD 蓝牙
This is an amazing thing since you would know what mode you are on. There's also an LED indicator. When it comes to the overall functionalities, the speaker has a control unit on one of the sides. You can power on or off, change different modes, and volume control. This is okay, but I would love to see a remote that could do that. At the back of the speaker we have all the necessary inputs, but let's test it out using Bluetooth. Personally, I think the sound quality is pretty good, well balanced and pretty loud as well. Would I recommend it? Definitely, if you need better sound quality from your TV set. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.